Let's design a space. In this series, today we are going to have a look at the 1 BHK designed for our client in Prestige Song of the South, Bangalore. The total area of the flat is 644 square feet. The layout is very compact, hence the design follows the rule that it needs to be more functional and aesthetics also is a part of it. So here there are elements of rustic styling and contemporary styling to suit the requirements of the client. Now the main door directly leads into the living and dining space, which is one rectangular area. So this space has a TV unit with a puja club together. So the puja is a flying unit and the TV back panel has a very rustic stone cladding, and there are drawer storages below and some storage above as well. The puja, though small, we've still tried to make it look very traditional and go in sync with the existing TV unit. Now the color palette of the entire living room has been kept to a very basic brown because rustic style has a lot of wooden brown in them. The wall opposite to this area has a lilac shade to it which acts as a feature wall, and against that is put a beautiful 3-seater beige colored sofa with a side table. Now to put the whole look together, on the ceiling we have proposed the wooden rafters onto which there are spotlights. So this doesn't make the whole space look gaudy. Coming to the kitchen area, we have about 10 feet by 7 feet. So it's an L-shaped layout, and maximum storage has been designed below the granite counter, on the wall unit and the loft above. So all the wall units have a glossy finish to them, and the base units have a wooden finish to them, and these are all handle-free systems. The black color of the granite gives the contrast which is striking as compared to the rest of the cabinets, which have been kept very subtle. Following the same color palette is the master bedroom design. So this has about 8 feet wardrobe which has 4 shutters, and there are 2 external drawers proposed below, and there is a full length loft on top. So this room has a wardrobe, a study unit and a cot. So the wall opposite to the cot is the study unit, where there is a wall storage and a study table with drawer storage below. Sometimes keeping the furniture to a minimal and adding the very minimal color palette can also add a lot of depth to the room. Now the cot is designed to have drawer pull-out storages below, and the headboard also has some simple ledges so that it can compensate the place of a side table. Designing a space need not always mean cluttering up the space and having too many designer elements. Sometimes it can be prioritizing the functionality and adding the element of aesthetics to it. So if you like today's video, please do make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you.